spent the last 20 years working in marketing, advertising, and business. And in these years, if there's one thing I've learned, it's this. Stories are at the heart of every successful brand and business. And that's why, along with the capacity specialist, we're putting together the narrative storytelling workshop on the 7th of November. If you're a business owner, a marketer, or someone who creates social media content, then this workshop is definitely for you. Whether you're looking to boost engagement, improve your brand's narrative, or even just sharpen your own storytelling skills, I'm going to teach you how to craft narratives that resonate with your audiences on a deeper level. It's a one-day workshop, and you're going to learn how to use the basic principles of storytelling and apply them to your everyday business, whether that's in marketing, during presentations, or even in networking. We're going to cover everything from how to create compelling brand narratives to storytelling on social media, and even how to bring local culture to make your stories more relevant to local audiences, like right here in Cambodia. Yeah, this is a highly interactive workshop, so expect to work on some real examples and walk away with some practical experience that could go a long way. So if you're ready to start taking storytelling seriously and use it at the core of your brand, join me at the Narrative Storytelling Workshop along with the capacity specialists on Thursday, the 7th of November. I hope to see you there.